channel. My name is Ankita, and for today's video you might have guessed by the topic already that today's video is on the new clothing that I bought recently. It was my birthday last week on July 17th, and I actually made a vlog on it, so if you haven't watched it I'll post the link just so that you can have a quick and an easy access to it. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you all are updated with the videos that I post. So for today's video, I actually bought a couple clothes. I bought them in store and I even ordered them online. Even Jagraj ordered some of the clothes online. And I have been posting their pictures regularly on Instagram, and I have been getting different messages on where did I buy them, how do I style them, and all those kind of questions. So I thought I'll probably do a video for you all just to kind of show you that what is my recent shopping haul. So let's get into the clothes. So to start off from all this collection, I want to actually pick up my absolute favorite dress, which is this floral green color dress. It's kind of a mint green color. I wore this dress on my birthday evening and I looked absolutely gorgeous. I think anybody who would put this dress on would look amazing, only because the kind of design that it has, these ruffles, and I don't know, it just gives you such a feminine feeling. If you look at the back, it's actually backless, kind of a cross in the back. I had to put on bra cups only because you can't wear strapless because it's quite deep from the back. But absolutely, looking at the dress, it's flowy, it's airy, it's light, like anything that you can think of, it is this dress. I think I bought it for $100 or so from Zara. I'll put the links down below. But if you look around, oh my god, the print is absolutely so summerish. It's so pretty. Even the color combination, if you put a little bit makeup on, it's an absolute summer dress. Very comfortable, I feel like, very elegant at the same time. You can wear it in the evening, you can wear it in the afternoon, you can even wear a bun with it, you can make a braid. I think any kind of hair or any occasion, this dress is a must buy, and I absolutely love this. Now, moving on to my second dress. As I told you, I have something for the ruffle dresses. I just feel like a queen. It gives me such a feminine feeling, so sexy, so beautiful, so summery. I bought the second dress that I even posted on my Instagram. I bought it from Nordstrom, and you would not believe how much I actually bought it for. I bought it on discount. I bought it only for $38. It's a absolute good investment. If you look at the dress now, it's like a multi-layer ruffle dress. If you look at the bottom, there's multi-layer of ruffles, and on top it's like a V-neck. It's like a V-neck deep cut dress. Even at the back it has this little zip, and the neck is actually deep, but it gives you such a pretty feeling. The ruffles, the sleeves are again ruffles. I know, man, ruffles has been a thing for me in, I think, these summers. I really love them. If you look at this dress, it's again chiffon kind of material, which is absolutely flowy. It just goes with the flow. It gives you a body hug kind of feel, but it's very comfortable at the same time. It sticks to your body, but then it's very comfortable and it's very airy. It doesn't make you sweat. It's really good, and even it enhances your body curves. I feel like it goes with the body shape and structure and makes you look so lean. I absolutely love it. Even the print, the color combination goes absolutely brilliant with the summers. I just love it, man. It's so pretty. Moving on to another dress, which is again one of my top favorites. I bought it for my birthday, and it was actually a gift from Dolly. I bought this from Aritzia for around $100. But it's like a wraparound dress. It's black, it's short, it's a little black dress, which I think every single girl should have in their wardrobe to kind of make your wardrobe complete. I feel like you're never underdressed or overdressed in a little black dress, only because you can wear it at any occasion. You can wear it in the evening, in the afternoon, wait for a day out or for a date night. You can put it on with heels, you can put it on with flats, any kind of makeup would go with it. Oh my god, I just can go on and on and on for a little black dress. I can't emphasize enough of the importance of a little black dress in your wardrobe. So to kind of see this dress, it's like it goes in this kind of, you know, shape, like it's short from one side and it's a little bit longer on the other side, and it's a wraparound dress. So you have this kind of thread that actually goes into the dress, and then there you go. So it's a tie around dress which basically goes from the back, and you have a knot here. It's absolutely gorgeous, extremely light, extremely thin, like I don't know, the air just passes on into your body. If you look in the front, it has this V, which is a little deep, but it has this V-neck shape in the front. You can put a spaghetti on, like if you want to wear it to work, but I feel like this is a must buy. And I feel like Aritzia has it in different colors. I picked up black because I feel like I didn't have such kind of a black dress and I just wanted to wear something black. I think मेरे पास जितना भी black हो, it's never less. So my wardrobe is filled with black. Black is one of my favorite colors in dresses, and it definitely makes me look lean, so I feel like I'm more than happy to buy this. There is another dress that I actually bought from this store called as Winners. I just actually randomly walked into the store. I didn't have any thoughts in my mind to buy a dress, but when I looked at it, I felt like it's I don't know, but it gave me like a very summery, you know, very kind of light kind of feel, because it has these pom-poms, and I have something for the pom-poms. So this is kind of a poncho kind of dress. You just put it on and it has these little pom-poms. It just goes with the flow. I feel like it doesn't take your body shape, so it's very kind of, you know, like a regular everyday kind of dress. You can just put it on. Absolutely gorgeous for beach wear, absolutely gorgeous for, like, you know, if you're going around with friends, for even for every day. I would feel like if you're just going out for shopping. It's beautiful in color, it's so pretty. The color combination, the floral texture, I feel like the florals in summers are one of the topmost things that I would never regret buying, only because they give an absolute summer feeling. So I just love this. So another absolute favorite for me from this collection is this white dress that I bought from H&M for around $30 plus taxes on top. So pretty that it has these white kind of, I don't know, it's kind of inbuilt flowers which is in the dress itself. It has this slip inside so that you don't have to wear a spaghetti underneath. The length of the dress is appropriate. It goes just below, little below your knees, and from the back it's even a little bit longer. If you look in the front, it has this ruffle thing which goes from top to the bottom. I feel like white color dress is something that your wardrobe should have, only because in summers especially, it keeps you calm, it keeps you cool, like you feel another level of energy. At least for me that's the case. I have different zone of energy, different kind of energy, and I feel like every, you know, very kind of blushy, pinky kind of makeup, oh my god, it looks gorgeous with that. I actually wore this dress to one of the barbecues, which was another level of my confidence. But yes, if you are looking for a white dress, I would definitely recommend something like this, which is very flowy, very airy, very comfortable, very light in material, so that you are not sweating the whole day and you don't feel very, you know, very gross like in summer. So this is something that I would recommend buying. Now, moving on to this cute cartoon t-shirt. I bought this from Zara. Actually, Jagrash picked this for me. It has these little cute cartoons which I can easily pull off with my jeans, with my joggers, with anything that I like. I just like this t-shirt. I don't think I don't wear t-shirts much. I don't think so. No, I wear blouses and tops. I think I bought it for $12. It says $29 originally priced, but I think I bought it for $12 or $13. I can't recall off my head, but it's a cute t-shirt. Another thing that I bought are these two bodysuits. I just can't emphasize much that how much I love bodysuits, only because they make me feel very comfortable if I'm wearing any high-waisted pants or trousers at work. I don't have to just keep, you know, tucking my shirt or my t-shirt inside my trousers. So I feel like bodysuits are something that I would always and always love. Black bodysuit, why? Because I think I can pair it with anything, with my pants, my culottes, my skirts. You can pair it with anything. And then I bought this green color bodysuit only because it was on discount. I think I bought these from Nordstrom for $18 each, and I love them. Like, I love bodysuits, man. They're so comfortable. I also bought this blouse, like top kind of thing from H&M, only for $10 for my office wear. It has again the ruffles guys, ruffles jitni bhi main dikha lo, I am not tired, I don't get tired of ruffles. I absolutely love this. I can pair it with my jeans on my Fridays, or I can pair it with my trousers. I can pair it with anything. It has like these little flowers, which I love. I feel like it's a black top or a black blouse goes with any damn thing, and I just loved it. I just picked it up because it was on a great discount, $10. Like, what would you find on $10? So I picked it up. I liked it. Jugraj actually ordered quite a few things for me online. He ordered this white sports bra from Adidas and this blue tank top from Reebok. But I would have to wear a sports bra underneath only because it does not have pads. But I love them. So moving on to another collection from the sports collection actually. This is another, I would say kind of a t-shirt that Jugraj ordered from Reebok. It has this Reebok logo on the sleeve. It's kind of a sheer t-shirt, like it has these little holes. I don't know if I can actually make you guys see it, but I think if I wear it with a sports bra, it's gonna look killer. It has this slit in the back. I think it's a very niche kind of, you know, like a sports top, like you can say. You can pair it with your jeans for that fact, or you can even pair it with like a shorts. It's a very cool, very different style t-shirt, which I think I fell in love with as soon as I saw it. I feel like the material is a little bit thick, so I am not too sure if I can actually wear it during a hot day, but absolutely in the evening it could be easily worn. Love this. Another bright sports collection that he ordered for me is something that he ordered from Adidas. It's a full sleeves hoodie which has this thing that can actually tighten it up just to kind of give it a very nice shape. It's not a very long top, it's a short top, so you can actually tighten up so that it just takes the shape from there and gives like a balloon feeling. I loved the color. I think it can easily go with my pair of jeans, for my leggings, or even with my joggers. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Another hoodie that he ordered is from Reebok, this grey colored hoodie. It has a zipper in the front. It's a very different style, like it doesn't have a zipper right on the top but in the bottom. I feel like it's a very different concept. And even the neck, if you see, it's like a hoodie but it doesn't have like a deep neck. It's like a thing which goes onto the top. The sleeves are made with a thin material as compared to the actual front. Hoodies are my absolute favorite when it comes to winter, and I feel like the color is amazing with this style. I just loved it, man. So another sports top that he bought was this Reebok top for workout. I think even if you don't wear it to workout, but with a regular pair of jeans, it'll look amazing. It has this mesh on the sleeves and over here on the bottom side. If you look, here's the mesh, and I feel like the material is quite thin, so you can actually wear it very comfortably with a sports bra. It will go perfectly fine with that. So another thing that he bought from me was this pair of leggings, workout leggings, which is from Reebok again. It's a black color legging. I think I might own like around 10 pair of leggings in black color, but I can never get tired of black workout leggings because I just love them. I feel like they can go with any kind of top, any color, and you can actually wear them even for regular, you know, like going out for like day outs or anything like that. You don't necessarily have to wear them to workouts. So I feel like this is absolutely gorgeous. It has this pattern on the side and the material is very comfortable, like it takes really good shape. And other than this, he got me another pair of leggings, which is this it's kind of cotton material, and the color, I never owned this color, so it's kind of beige cream color, and it has this pattern on it. It's very comfortable. The material was different. It's not synthetic like the usual workout leggings, and I feel like I'm really happy to own a different color other than the blacks, blues. So I'm really happy with this one. Last but not the least, I want to show you guys this hoodie that he again got for me. He has a very different taste, and I love his taste. Like, he has a really good taste for clothes and shoes, of course. So if you look at this one, it's again a grey colored hoodie. It's very thin in material. I can even wear it to my sports bra and my workout collection. I can add it on easily. It has this chain. The length is a little short from the front, but it goes a little longer from the back. I love the color. It can easily go with any color leggings, any pair of jeans. So I feel like it's a must have in my wardrobe. I'm really happy to have it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all loved the collection. I hope you all loved my new wardrobe collection, and you can definitely go down in the description box just to click on the links. I'll try to find as many as I can, and then you can buy them from there. I feel like any kind of floral dresses, absolute buy for summers. Workout collection, I feel like I never get tired of it. So yes, if you want to make maximum use of my suggestions, go down below and click on the links and buy it for yourself. And do not forget to share my video, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.